Hi there, my name is Nick Diego, the lead developer of Block Visibility. In this short video, I'm going to walk through how to correct any issue you might be having with the screen size control. So the screen size control allows you to show or hide blocks based on the width of the screen. And it works great on all static blocks, but there are some issues with regards to dynamic blocks. So a dynamic block is a block that is pulling data from your WordPress site and is usually rendered in PHP. You don't really need to know that, but one good example is the latest posts block. So normally what you would do is if you wanted to hide this latest post block on, let's say, desktop devices, you go into visibility, go down to screen size, and you do hide on desktop. When you update this, and we go to our preview, the screen size, the latest post should be hidden. As you can see here, it's not. So we are currently working on a more elegant solution to this issue, but there's actually a very easy workaround. And as the block ecosystem in WordPress grows and grows, there may be more instances where this workaround could be helpful. Before we get into the solution, I do want to caveat the only control that experiences this issue is screen size, and that's because it uses CSS classes to show or hide the block. Every other control in block visibility will work perfectly fine for any block. The only issue is screen size control. So how do we fix this? What we're going to do is we're going to go to our latest posts. We're going to turn off the screen size control. We don't need it anymore. And we're just going to group the latest posts. So now if we look at our block breakdown, we have group and we have our latest post inside of the group. Now the group block works perfectly with all block visibility controls, including screen size. So what we can do is we can apply our screen size settings just to the group. So we'll go to visibility, scroll down again, hide on desktop, update. So now our visibility controls are at the group level, not at the latest post level. And when I go to preview this now, sure enough, our latest posts are hidden. And when we look at it on tablet or mobile devices, it's visible again. So if you run into the issue where you have a block, usually it's going to be a third-party block or one of these blocks in WordPress that's pulling dynamic content like a post title or post content or featured image or latest posts. If you run into problems with those when trying to use the screen size control, all you need to do is just wrap that content in a group block and then apply your screen size settings to the group itself. Again, I just want to remind that this only impacts the screen size control. If I wanted to use any one of these other controls, for example, date and time, user role, any of the other ones, those will still work perfectly fine with the latest post block or any other dynamic block. It's just the screen size. So in a future version of block visibility, we hope to have a more elegant solution where we'll have some sort of internal workaround where it will work normally with dynamic blocks. But for right now, and it's also a good tool to have in your tool belt, if you run into issues with screen size, just wrap it in a group and you'll be good to go. Hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching and trying out block visibility.